back to the Caribou Data Science channel. This is the evening of, what is this, Thursday? Right, Thursday, May the 1st, 2025. I am 12 days away from hitting the big 7-0. I don't know where the time is going. It seems like only yesterday I was celebrating my 30th birthday at Garcia's Mexican restaurant in Boulder, Colorado. I don't know where I got something there. I don't know where it came from. Complex dimensional far. I don't know what that. I have no idea what that is. If you know what that is, or if you put that there, by all means, stop by and let me know. Okay. Okay. So as the title suggests, we're going to take a look this evening at a package, our package called quantmod. Quantmod is an older financial analysis package centered around two other packages, one called TRR and another one called, or TTR, and another one called XTS, which is a time series package. Okay, you may be familiar with the tiny quant package. Well, what's the advantage of using an older package? Well, as you'll see, quantmod package is very easy to use. It's with 2 lines of code. We can download stock data and create a plot. Okay. So anyway, this is a short video this evening. This could be a short and also a multi-part series. Okay, we're going to start with the most basic functions. Then we're going to add some other plots as we go along for different videos. Okay, so over here, one advantage is the only thing you need here to analyze your stock data is a library called quantmod. Okay. Now, then I like to clear up my package. Now here's your first function. Quantmod is a function-based package, meaning everything you do by calling a function. Okay. So if there's someone in the background there, zero complex dimension, I don't know what that means. By all means, stop by the chat session and say hi. Of course, as always, click that subscribe button for me, and also click the like button for me also. Okay. So what we're going to do, we're going to pull the stock data we're beginning to look at is this right up here. Vanguard's total bond market, BND ETF, symbol BND. So let's go and pull our data for, let's go and load our library. Run this. Okay, now one notice here, it's 9 p.m. in Central Ohio, and it still hasn't pulled the latest data from Yahoo by default. Okay, so my guess is it's always going to be a day behind. So the date starts with 2007 April and ends with April the 30th. So now I can come down here. We'll start with the most basic plot function you can have. Then we're going to add a few tweaks and bells and whistles to it. Okay, so what you're looking for is chart series. Okay, we can also take a quick look up here. So here's our data. Notice this over here. This is not a column. This is an index. XTX creates a data series with a date index. Okay, so that's important to understand. So let's see what we got here then. Here's our first plot. Now I'll tell you, as you've seen in a few moments, this is actually a candlestick plot, as you'll see in a few moments. Okay, and this, of course, is volume. So let's go and make our first tweak here. Okay, let's just. If I could spell close. Let's call it daily close. But you notice it goes all the way from 2007 to April, basically April 30th. Okay, so that's okay. So let's run this. Just give it a title. So now we got a title. Now let's come down here We're just going to keep adding on to this function here, okay? What else can we do? Let's continue this down on the next line. Let's change the theme. Okay. Let's take a look now. Now we've got a nicer white theme. Now let's come down here and let's turn off this bottom plot. Okay, let's turn off the bottom plot. Equals. All right. Now we turn off the bottom plot. Now we're going to do one more thing for this evening. A very short video this evening. Come down here. Now it is possible to pull data from APIs like Alpha Vantage and a few other things like that, or Quantal things like that. So what we're going to do next, we want to do a very powerful function. Subset equals last 30 days. All right. And now you can see our candlestick plot. Okay. And that's actually it for. That's all I have for you this evening. We'll come back. Okay, we'll come back just to give you a little we'll come back and we'll add another function up here. See if this works. Okay. So we'll come back to type and then TA and come in maybe in the next session. Okay, this is intended to be a multi-part series of very short videos. So again, you can see how easy it is to pull data and create good financial plots using quantmod. Much easier than using TinyQuant. Okay, so that's it for this evening, and we'll catch you. Probably Sunday or Monday night. So that's why you gotta, if you click the bell icon, you'll be notified whenever I go live again, okay?